What if one of Audi's smallest cars quietly shaped modern hot hatch tuning culture, while most people still dismissed it as just an entry-level badge? The Audi A3 never begged for attention. It earned respect the hard way. And stories like this are exactly what Motor Axis lives for. The late 1990s marked a turning point for Audi. Fresh off Quattro dominance and turbocharged success, the brand needed something compact, sharp, and youthful. The answer arrived in 1996, the Audi A3 Built on shared Volkswagen Group architecture, it may have shared bones with the Golf Mark IV, but its mindset was pure Audi, restrained, confident, and engineered to grow. At first glance, the engine lineup looked tame. Naturally aspirated options, daily driver vibes. But then came the 1.8T, and everything changed. Factory ratings sat around 150 horsepower, but the real story lived beneath the boost. Strong internals, massive tuning headroom. This motor wasn't just good, it was waiting. A simple ECU remap unlocked serious gains. Bigger turbos turned modest hatches into highway predators. With supporting mods, 250 horsepower came easily. Push harder, and the A3 proved it could handle numbers that embarrassed cars twice its size. Then Audi did something wild. Quattro in a compact hatchback. While front-wheel drive rivals wrestled with torque steer, the A3 simply launched. Wet roads, cold asphalt, full throttle, no excuses. Grip was the advantage, and Audi knew it. Design-wise, the A3 stayed subtle. No flashy aero, no forced aggression, just tight lines, clean proportions, and a premium presence that aged gracefully. Step inside and it felt solid. Red-lit gauges, weighty controls, that unmistakable Audi build quality. It wasn't loud. It didn't need to be. Where the A3 truly earned legend status was the underground tuning scene. Coilovers dropped it low. OEM Plus builds ruled parking lots. Sleeper setups shocked unsuspecting rivals. Some builds crossed 300 horsepower, proving the platform wasn't fragile. It was underestimated. And then there was the S38L, factory turbo power. Quattro standard, over 210 horsepower, straight from Ingolstadt. This wasn't just a hot hatch, it was Audi, quietly declaring war. A blueprint for everything that followed. Today, the Audi A3 exists in a dangerous zone. Old enough to be ignored, good enough to be hunted. Clean examples are disappearing fast, snapped up by enthusiasts who understand what this car represents. A moment when balance mattered more than screens and software. The A3 wasn't built to flex numbers. It was built with intent, smart engineering, turbocharged potential, real grip. And that philosophy still echoes through modern performance culture. Because before hot hatches became heavy, digital, and over-designed, Audi already had the answer. And Motor Axis is just getting started.